Hello Internet, Tom Deglman here from the Deglman family farm. I'm going to show you something a little different here. Usually I'm behind the camera doing the editing and some of the researching, but today I'm going to be in front of it showing you one of our new things we're going to be adding to our videos. As spring and summer get closer, the weather's going to be nicer and the grass is going to be greener, and we really want to show you guys some of our beautiful scenery and all the work Dad puts into the yard care and our big projects that we usually put on during the wedding season. So we are adding a new item. We're going to be adding this new drone, the DJI MAVIC 3. Now this is not a paid video. We bought this ourselves. We just thought we'd show it off to you guys and what we're going to be using to film in the spring and the summer. We have no experience with drones, so it's going to be a little bit of a learning chance for us. So please stick with us. Some of our early videos as we use it will be a little shaky as I learn how to fly it because no one in the home wants to know how to use it. So it's just going to be me. So we're going to do a little unboxing here. I haven't looked at it yet. And then we're going to take it out for a spin. It's a little windy today. If it dies down, maybe I'll get some shots in today. If not, tomorrow. We'll put that all together for you guys and show you what it can do here at the farm. So stick with us. Got our package here. I'm going to be opening it up. Inside we got this really nice carrying case, all sealed up. Alright, with no way to open it. Alright, that gets torn off, I guess. Sure. Really nice, strong carrying case. Some metal clips. Pull everything out. Whew. And there she is. Very nice. A little bit smaller than I thought. That's pretty nice. We have some ideas for some cool shots inside of the barn and coming out of it. We're worried about the size of it. So that looks really nice. That's going to be really good. Got our batteries here. Parts for our power and charging. All right. That's a real heavy duty case. That'll be really nice. Set that to the side. Let's get to the good stuff. So it's really compact, nice way to carry it. I don't know how much travel we'll be doing with the drone, but we do have some friends up north and you know, going to the woods and doing some hikes. This could be really nice to be able to keep it all nice together. Like that. Ooh. That sounded good, right? I want to break it. Oh, there we go. And there she is. Beautiful. That is slick. Got some more instructions here. For the charger. Connectors for the phone. Comes with a bunch of extra blades that, being a first-time drone operator, I assume I'm gonna need a lot of. Gonna be going through those a lot. And here's the controller. Oh, very nice. Feels good in the hands. nice size. Believe it or not, I play a little bit of video games, so hopefully this is pretty easy to get used to and be able to use. Hoping to do some fun shots, make it interesting, keep you guys coming back for more. So that's the controller. Gonna take a look at the charger pack here. Now it comes with 3 chargers, 1 inside of it right now and 2 additional ones. It's got over 40 minutes of flight time. I believe they say about 46. So that's a lot of time for us to do make some really good videos. It's a beautiful drone. I love the color. The sides here, it's supposed to have some visuals to keep it from hitting things. Definitely gonna need that. We have some big open fields where I'm gonna test it in, but here in the yard we do have a fair number of trees, especially in the spring and summer. They're gonna be a big thing to get used to. So here in the winter and in the fields, really give me a chance to get used to flying it before I gotta worry about plowing into too many things. Well, thanks for joining us. I know this was a little bit different. It's gonna be a short video, but we just really wanted to show this off. Again, we weren't sponsored or anything. We just really wanted to add something new to our videos to really spruce them up a little bit and hopefully have more people watch them. So we're gonna really hope this helps to show off everything we have. So I'm gonna have some video of me testing it out. It ain't gonna be great. Hopefully I don't crash. But yeah, come back, keep watching our videos as spring and summer comes around. You're gonna see this drone more get used, and hopefully after a few flights I get a little bit more used to it, and then by the time Dad's out mowing and the summer comes, I will be an expert. But again, the DJI MAVIC 3, one of their newer drones, and I am excited to take it out. Thanks for joining us. Bye. Hi Internet, and welcome back. Coming to you a few days after I did my first unboxing of the DJI MAVIC 3. Took it out for the weekend, put in some flights, did some hours on it, and I gotta say, I loved it. It was a very easy system to get used to, and that's coming from somebody who's never flown a drone before. Everything was intuitive, it was simple, it was the best I could have asked for. We took it up again over the weekend. We had nice weather, cold but no wind, and it did everything it said it would do. We were able to easily get everything installed, the app on my phone, get the controller working, everything connected, set it outside, and got it up into the air, and was very easy to get a feel for the controls. The new system it has for watching out for objects worked perfectly. I'm not the best flyer yet, so I got a little close to a few trees, our barn, and it knew when to stop itself. Didn't run into anything. Took it out, filmed my dad for a while, filmed the yard, took it as far as I could, and everything worked perfectly. Again, this is not a paid advertisement. We paid for everything ourselves. Just thought, people would like to know a little bit about the drone and how easy it is. So if it's something you're looking for, spend a little bit of money, I would definitely recommend it. Check back at our channel. We're gonna be using it quite a bit here come spring and summer to get some new shots and to show off our beautiful yard and lawn. Any questions, go into the comments or let us know. Thank you very much, and have a good day.